In this video, we'll be looking at how to change the root password for MySQL and also how to create a new user and assign a new password. And we can also assign the new user account to a specific database within a MySQL server. Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll check the status of MySQL. Command is going to be systemctl status MySQL. It's active and running. Next thing we'll do is we'll log into MySQL. So MySQL -u for user root. Use the root account -p for password. Enter the password for the root account, and we are in the MySQL monitor or MySQL console. The command to change, if you are looking to change the password for your root account, this is the command you use. Alter user, put in the user account name, localhost, identified by, then here you put your new password. And press enter. So I'm not changing mine, but that's the command you do need to use in order to change the password for your root account. Once you have done that, you'll need to run flash privileges. That should save the changes and reload the privilege table. Okay, next thing we wanted to cover is how to actually create a new user and then assign the new user to a new database. So we'll create a new user and a new database as well. We'll say use MySQL. Now we'll create a new database. We'll call this test. And we can actually do show databases. And there it is. Next command is for creating the new user. So it's going to be create user. We'll call the user ino at localhost identified by let's go with the password 1. So you have to make sure that the password satisfied the requirements. So we'll try another password. Create user host identified by MySQL test 98. So missed a semicolon. So it looks like you took that password. Let's check let's flash privileges. And then we'll check what users we have using this command. Select user host authentication _string from MySQL user. And there's the user ino that we created. Now we'll assign the user to the new database that we created. The command is grant select update delete on test dot to That's the user, localhost, and it's assigned. We've assigned that new database to the new user Eno. Now we'll try and log into the server, MySQL server, using MySQL Workbench. Let's do so we already have a connection that uses the root account. We'll create a new one for Eno. Username is Eno. We'll click OK. We'll click. We'll use the password we set up. MySQL test $98. It's okay. And there you are. You're only showing one database that this user has access to. So we are able to log in with that new user, and we only see the one database that we assigned the new user account. One last thing to cover here is how to delete a user. The statement will be drop user. Here you put in the name of the user, localhost. That should drop that new user. So I'm not deleting the user. That's how you would delete a user account from MySQL. To quit, you can use exit or just quit, and that exits the MySQL console. So that's all for this video. That's how we change the password for the root account, create a new user, and also assign a user account to a specific database. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.